Hmm. Hi guys, my name is Siriki Anuruthai. I am from VIT Velu studying EC third year. And today in this video, I am going to explain my microcontroller task 2. And I have done it under the guidance of Dr. Dhanbal Rangaswamy. And coming to the questions, and I am going to explain a total of 7 questions in this. Sorry, I am going to explain only a number of 2 questions, not 7. And these are the steps for answering the questions which I have got instructions from myself. And coming to the first question, as you can know, my first question is to write and program to transfer the string data from the code space to an particular RAM location using Kale software and verify the result manually. And these are the tools required, Kale software, and these are the IC I have been used in the Kale software. And this is the algorithm of my code. And coming to the flowchart, this is my flowchart. Each and every step of my code is explained through this flowchart. And coming to the program, and this table is for better understanding of the program, and I have mentioned each and every one: the operations, addressing mode used, mission cycle required, memory byte required, types of instruction, comments, and flags getting affected by the instructions. As you can see, each and everything is mentioned for every bit of the code right here. And for a better understanding and for a better view, I have given the link of Excel sheet which you can access, so that you can, if you want to make a changes from your code, you can see this Excel sheet and verify it. And this is the output which I have been getting after the execution of my result. And this is a manual calculation which I have been done. Coming to the observation, this is a photo before the execution. And as you can see, I have given my registration number over here, 19BEC0522, and this is my lab, and this is my lab serial number. And I have given the comments, label, operations, each and everything clearly so that you can understand it easily. And coming to this, my execution. I have executed my code right here, and as you can see, this is a memory which I have got in address C200, and I have changed it a bit so that we can see it in a different way so we can understand it. 17, L11, L12, and this is what I have been given here. So I got it as output right here, and this is what we have been asked, and this is the data segment. This also one which we have been asked. And coming to the inference, I have mentioned the total number of time period and mission cycle which we have took, and the amount of memory stored, and total and addressing modes used, and types of instructions also. And the flags, no flags are affected. So, and coming to the result, as we know, we have executed this perform memory using and verified the results manually. As you can see, I have done manual calculation also in the. And coming to the second one, our question is to write an 8051 ALP program to add the following subroutine: program 1 single step through the subroutine and examine the RAM locations. After data has been transferred from ROM space to RAM, the subroutine should copy the data from RAM locations starting from 40 to RAM locations 60. So as we know, the tools required are the same, are the first one and second one. These IC have been used in the Kale software, and this is the algorithm for this portion. You can refer to this for a better understanding of the code easily. And this is my flowchart. Each and every step of my code is explained through this flowchart. And coming to the program, and in here I have gone in depth about the code so that you can get a better understanding about the mission cycles required, operations, and operating mode used, and types of instructions, commands, and flags that are affected. As you can see, no flags are affected actually. And for a better view, I have also given the link of the Excel sheet. If you want, you can make some changes so it can be easy to copy over the Excel sheet. And this is the output which I have been getting after performing my actions. I mean, after performing the code, and this is a manual calculation which I have done. And coming to the code, this is my code. As you can see here, I have two loops, a here statement, and this is my registration number 19BEC0522, 17, L11 and L12. Coming to a snip after execution, as you can see, this is the same arrow debug. I didn't run it still. Here I have run it. I have got the output right here, and again the output. As you can see from the inference, time period required, each and everything I have mentioned right over here, and the amount of memory required, total amount of time required, and flags required. And thank you for seeing this video, and this is the result. As you can see, we have verified each and everything asked in the question using Tail software. And guys, thank you for seeing this video, and if you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section, and thank you.